How to fix TD Bank cannot transfer money. To fix the TD Bank cannot transfer money, first of all, you have to check available balance versus current balance. You simply have to log into the TD application or website and select your account. Look closely at the available balance figure. If you recently deposited a check or pulled funds from an external bank, TD routinely places a 1 to 5 business day security hold on those funds. You cannot transfer any money that is still clearing this holding period. Now you simply have to re-verify or relink your external bank account by opening the TD online banking profile on a computer browser, go to the transfers option, then head to manage external accounts, look for the action required or unverified status tag, then proceed to fill in the details and confirm it. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.